It's January 23rd evening. Just want to do a quick video recap how I made $34 on my options account. And then I made another $156 on my funded account. So this is my real money account, however you want to call it. So yesterday's video, you may have seen I had about $140 total on this. So today it's 296. So I made $153. And then this was a $34 trade. I could only trade about 30 to 45 minutes. I had another meeting at 10:15 or so in the morning. So it was really about 35 to 40 minutes of time I had. And so I want to quickly go over and show you my thesis, if you will. As usual, so this here, what you see is Wednesday. And so coming into today, this is all pre-market, and then this is when this white is when we open market. So before in the morning, before 9:30, I drew out my previous day high, which was this green. So I drew that out. Okay. Then this line here, which should really be orange, that's usually I do it, is my pre-market high. You see that pre-market high. Okay. And then this was the previous day low. You could have drawn from here to here, if you will. Okay, it doesn't matter. And then this was my pre-market low. So these are the four levels I always draw out and I mark it out. And then based on this, once we have this, it's pretty easy to trade because we know if the market is below previous day low or pre-market low, any of these, if the market is below any of these, I am bearish. So I want to look for trades going down. If the market then goes up and goes up above my pre-market high and the previous day high, then I'm bullish, okay, because the market tends to keep going higher, okay. So one more point to note is this pre-market low over here, this line was a very big resistance. If you go back all the way, okay, if you go back this line here, you see on December 24th, these were the VIX. You see that VIX, okay, this is a big resistance area over here, okay. So I knew if you go over this, the market would continue to go up, and that's what happened today, right? But I did not even have time to trade all this. If I had literally waited and taken trade this, I could have made hundreds of dollars, more than 100% of whatever you put in. But today I had a couple of meetings, and so I couldn't. So I was literally trading. So what happened was the market opened. Let's go back all the way. Oops, to the beginning. Okay. So this is when the market opened. Sorry about that. So the market opened over here. It bounced off the previous day high. Okay. Sorry, this is the previous day low. Okay, so I was literally waiting to see if it will go over the pre-market high. I wanted for this to go, but I saw it come back and keep bouncing a couple of times, and I knew as it was bouncing that it will keep going up, and then once it breaks this pre-market high, it's going to be more bullish, and then once it breaks this previous day high, it's going to be more bullish. But like I said, I didn't have a lot of time. So the trades I took was around here. The market went high, it came all the way down. Around this, when I saw this bouncing again around 10:05 or so, I took a trade here. I literally just took a trade from here to here. That's all I did really. Just two candles around 10. What time is it? 10:05. Because at 10:15 I had to go to another meeting, right? Why did I take this trade? For a couple of reasons. One, it was bouncing again. I could see that this green coming up. Two, stochastic RSI was low. And then three, this MACD was also like the red was kind of curving. You can see this, right? It's kind of curving. It was going up. So I knew it would keep going up a little bit. So I quickly took this trade, and I in the options I took the SPY, which is literally all I did was from here to here. Okay, it was literally 0.04% is all I did take. But in options, that gave me about a 20% return ROI on whatever I put in. And then in the NQ, my my futures trading where I made $150, it was from here to here, literally like 20 points right there. That's it. I did not even have time to do more than that. And I made this money about $156 if I'm not wrong. Okay, and done for the day, right? Again, if you had been more patient, okay, you could have made a lot more, but you get the idea. Less than an hour a day, you can make an easy $150 to $200 easy. And then this is my options. My goal is to keep building this up and keep getting better. So if you see here, last week I had one red day and my total for the week was $91. And this is just with a $600 capital. This week, Monday was a holiday, Tuesday was a loss, but two good trades. I want to see if I can get a good trade tomorrow and make it maybe more than $100. But the real money can be made in futures because it's very highly leveraged, right? Just one candle over here, just one small candle, okay? Literally from this to this is 10 points, and each point is $20. That's $200, okay? Now I took it from here to here, it's 25 points, but I did not make 25 times 20 is $500. I made $150 because I probably had a bad fill. I probably took it from here and I closed it over here or something, and I was happy. Okay. So I'm not the best trader, but I'm improving every day. And the goal is to be consistent, because if I can make $150 a day now in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, consistent, if I'm consistent and keep improving myself, I can make $1,500 a day, right? And then that's the goal. Okay. Hope it makes sense.